If you're looking for the best toddler bike helmets, you've come to the right place. On our channel, we share quality videos every day to help you find the best products for your family. Today, we'll guide you through some of the safest and most comfortable helmet options to keep your little one protected while riding. Stick around, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful product reviews.
Number 1. B. Kali Chakra Child XS.
The XS Kali Chakra is the smallest bike helmets we've found. While our highly recommended Gyro Scamp fits heads as small as 45 centimeters, the XS Kali is smaller, more narrow, and fits heads about 44 centimeters. With a compact, lightweight design, easy dial adjust system, excellent ventilation, and a built-in visor, the Kali Chakra helmet is a kid and parent favorite. Ventilation on the child's chakra is superb. 21 large vents allow for excellent airflow. At 245 grams, it's also one of the lightest weight helmets we've tested. To top it off, all Kali helmets come with a crash replacement guarantee. If a Kali helmet is damaged during a crash, Kali will swap out your damaged helmet for a new one. Important note on sizing: the Kali Chakra Child comes in two sizes, XS and S. Through our testing we found the small sizing to be inaccurate. Although the small is labeled as 48 cm to 54 cm, it was too big for our testers with heads smaller than 51 cm.
Number 2. Juvie Noodle.
The Juvie Noodle was designed specifically with the youngest kids in mind. Its lightweight makes it as easy for a toddler to wear and still be able to control their neck and head movements. With the chin straps threaded through the back dial adjust, the Noodle is more stable on smaller heads, and the separated straps also make the helmet much easier to get on. The dual-color chin buckle, black on the left, red on the right, makes the buckle easier to spot and get on and off a moving toddler. And its internal pad system is incredibly high quality, one of the best we've seen. The Juvie Noodle features 14 air vents, with integrated bug mesh in the front vents, extended visor for maximum protection, nylon straps, pinch guard chin strap, and an adjustable fit dial. It is a great looking helmet and comes in various colors. Meets CPSC standards.
Number 3. Womb Ready Helmet.
The Womb Ready helmet stands out for its exceptional fit and ease of use, making it one of the best kids helmets we've ever tested. Unlike many helmets that require constant adjusting, the Ready's carefully designed shape naturally contours to a child's head, minimizing movement and maximizing protection. The fixed ear straps eliminate one of the most frustrating fit issues parents face, while its unique magnetic buckle allows kids to fasten and unfasten the helmet with ease, no pinched skin or tricky clasps. Beyond fit, the Womb Ready excels in comfort and durability. The 12 large air vents and internal air channels keep kids cool, while the lightweight EPP foam visor provides added face protection without adding bulk. Unlike traditional foam, the EPP material resists dents and bounces back after compression, keeping the helmet looking newer for longer. Plus, the optional LED light is a great addition for increased visibility.
Number 4. 1000 Junior Toddler.
While this 1000 Junior Toddler helmet looks similar to its big brother 1000 Junior Kids helmet, 49 to 53 centimeters, there are a few significant differences that make it particularly suited for the youngest of riders in a biking family. First, it's sized smaller to provide a best fit for 1 to 3-year-olds with average-sized heads. Second, it is significantly lighter, just 220 grams versus 390 grams, which will be much easier for a young toddler's neck strength to manage. And third, a huge part of what makes this helmet lighter is that it has in-mold construction versus the skateboard hardshell styling. This causes the toddler helmet to look a bit more babyish compared to the larger kids version, but it makes sense for the young riders it's intended for. It's also not dual certified for skateboard use. Overall, the quality is fantastic, and if you're looking for a slightly cheaper alternative to the Gyro Scamp, no MIPS, the 1000 Junior Toddler helmet is an excellent option.
Number 5. Bell Sidetrack 2.
Fusion in polycarbonate shell, a process pioneered by Bell bonds the helmet's outer shell to the EPS foam liner to create a sturdier helmet. ErgoFit. What was once ErgoDial now has an improved dial feel and function, no longer requires a push to turn, and is more sleek and less bulky. NoteWist TRI glides and sweat guide, quick adjust fasteners that help keep straps flat and properly positioned. Sweat guide pad design pulls moisture away from the brow pad and away from eyewear. Specifications: Universal Toddler, 45 to 52 cm, Universal Youth, 47 to 54 cm, and Universal Child, 50 to 57 cm, sizes. Important: always take a measurement. Sizes and shapes can vary, even within an age range. Using a helmet that does not fit can be dangerous. 14 vents.